Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. How to make a designing photo editing on Pixel Lab in easily. Open the Pixel Lab, select a shape, remove the background color, adjust the shape, select another shape, change the color, duplicate the shape, select another color, save the shape, select the erase color to back color green, select the 3D shape, extrusion, select another shape, change of color, select the draw, then select a sticker, select the color filter, change the color of shape, change the background color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.